Ms. Bembenek, do you have any questions about that charge itself?
No, sir.
What is your plea to the amended charge?
No contest.
With those words, Laurencia Bembenek gave up her decade-long court battles.
I accordingly find the defendant, Laurencia Bembenek, guilty of second-degree murder. She stands convicted again of killing a young woman while her small children slept in nearby beds. Any sentence less than the maximum 20 years would unduly depreciate the serious nature of this despicable crime.
Harsh words for a sentence that carries a maximum punishment of 20 years. But then, a surprise.
She's going home. That's what's happened.
It's because of a plea agreement worked out between the Milwaukee County District Attorney's Office and Bembenek's lawyers.
That is not a guilty plea. It is not an admission of any wrongdoing. It is not any statement by any way, means, shape, or form that she committed the murder. She did not.
But her guilty plea to a lesser charge, with credit for the 10.5 years she's already served, means her release.
A sentence of 20 years, when you compute it, she's done all the time that you would do on a 20-year sentence, and she's gone home.
Deputy District Attorney Bob Donahue has touted Bembenek's guilt all along, even today.
I believe she did it.
But he said a new trial was just too risky. He said there were errors and sloppy police work in the original investigation. Possible confessions from the now deceased Fred Hornberger, a friend of Fred Schultz's, who has often been mentioned as a suspect in the murder. Several witnesses have recanted their testimony, and fading memories of everyone involved in the 10-year-old case. But nonetheless, Donahue said,
I am glad in one sense, and I believe this is a just resolution of this matter.
She continues to deny her involvement, even though she has been found guilty by a jury and now been found guilty by this court. Defendants who do not accept personal responsibility for their criminal conduct, I believe, are not entitled to any form of leniency in sentencing.
but Bembenek's attorney says she wanted freedom, and a plea was the only way she could get it.
If you would go into the bathroom here and lock the door, I tell you, you couldn't come out for 3 years. That was the alternative we were facing.